What's up, everyone? I'm back with another amazing product, and trust me, you're gonna love this one. Right out of the box, it looks incredible. Super sleek, modern, and built with premium materials. Now let's talk price. Honestly, I was shocked. It's super budget friendly, but doesn't compromise on quality at all. And the functionality? Top tier. It's perfect whether you're using it at home, at work, or gifting it to someone special. All the details are in the description, so be sure to check it out. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more.